morning! Hey guys, it's Ro. Today's video is something that I've never done before and I am so excited because I have always wanted to. My hoodie is a hint because today I am going to become a mermaid. I watched some videos and saw some of my friends being mermaids for a day, and you know me, you know I wanted to go big and do it right. So a big thank you to OGX for sponsoring this video. We teamed up and we are going all out. And the first step to becoming a mermaid is we're gonna need mermaid hair. Every mermaid I've seen in cartoons or live action movies or art, they have awesome long beachy wave hair. It is gorgeous. So to get my mermaid hair today, I'm gonna be using 4 products. Now these are from OGX and my friend Kandee. If you're new to my channel and you don't know Kandee, she's one of my good friends and we've collaborated, we've baked, we've hung out, we've done makeup and silly things, and I just really admire her art. She's a really talented makeup artist. She knows all about beauty and glam and hair. When my friend Kandee released these, I went to the store right away, picked them up and got them, and I love them. The shampoo is hugs and then the conditioner is kisses, and they really like go together, and it's cute because the bottle has a heart, and then without each other they're a broken heart, but then if you put them together, that's a happy, that's a whole heart. Also, anyone can use them, but specifically if you have color treated hair, they're really gentle. So for my hair, because it has a little bit of color treatment now, I'm using gentler products on my hair, not just like whatever I pick up at the store. These are also paraben free and pH balanced, which is really nice. They're high quality and I love how they smell. That's, I mean, all the other stuff aside, it just, ready? Your hair smells like tropical candy all day after this. The other 2 products that I'm using to get my mermaid hair couldn't be more perfect. They are also Kandee's, and they are the Mermaid Moisture Mask and the Mermaid Dust Dry Shampoo. I love these. The mask I use after conditioner when my hair is still wet, and it just ultra hydrates my hair, because unlike a mermaid, I do not live in the sea, in the ocean, getting all that hydration under the water every day. I live in California. It is a dry desert climate here, and now that I have a little color treatment, I need some help. I need mermaid help. Then for styling, I'm actually gonna be using the dry shampoo because it gives me more body and volume. And when my hair is clean and I use dry shampoo at the roots right away, my hair stays like fresher for longer. So that's a nice little trick I learned over the years. Boom! All right, I've got my mermaid hair care kit. Here's the before. Let's go get ready. Let's get some mermaid hair. If you guys are interested in any of the products that I'm using today, I'll put a link down below for you to go check them out. Using the shampoo is super easy. You apply generously to wet hair, massage into a lather through the ends of the hair. I've got a lot of hair now, so this takes a long time to get them all the way down to the ends. Then rinse thoroughly. I've never done a get ready with me video, but I feel like this is a mini one, and I love it. Once rinsed, it's time to condition. Apply the conditioner generously to your hair, working itself from the middle of your hair to the ends. This conditioner smells so good. Then let the conditioner sit for about 3 to 5 minutes and rinse your hair again thoroughly. Ooh, it's so smooth. But wait, there's more. Last but not least is this ultra hydrating mask, which is so soft. Apply to your damp hair, working it from the middle to the ends again, and let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly one last time. Alright, that's it. We're out of the shower and our hair is washed, conditioned, and extra hydrated. Now it is time to blow dry. I'm blow drying my hair using a large detangling brush to be gentle on my hair, and I'm also drying on a low heat setting. Low heat but high Beyonce vibes, that's what I'm talking about. I always end up doing this every time I blow out my hair. Once dry, we're going to style, starting with the center part. Make a part down the middle of your hair with a comb. Section off the top of the hair and clip it behind. Working with smaller sections of hair just makes it easier for me to style. Spray some Mermaid Dust Dry Shampoo at the root of your hair and massage through the roots. To style, I'm going to be using a hair waver, so take a small section of hair. I like to start at the bottom and work my my way up and start making some waves. There are many different ways to achieve a beachy wave look. You can use a waver, a hair crimper, or even just a regular curling iron, but I'm just gonna keep doing this to my hair in small sections to get my mermaid look. And boom, beachy waves complete. This is the perfect mermaid hair. I love this. I'm so excited. It's really soft. It has a lot of body, a lot of volume. When you catch a whiff of my hair in the wind, you won't know what hit you. You'll be like, oh, was that sweet cotton candy? Oh, was that a flower? Was it something tropical? And I'll be like, it was all of those things in here. I feel like a princess. I feel like a siren. I feel like I could get any boyfriend with this hair. Look at this. So step 1, mermaid hair, is complete, and now we are on to step 2, which is mermaid accessories. It's a very important element, and you can use anything or put anything in your hair. You could do a flower, or you could do something that a mermaid would find in the sea, like a starfish. I found this really cute pearl headband. I thought this was so simple and adorable, and I was like, if I was a mermaid, I would definitely get these from an oyster. We gotta find the perfect little spot here. Yes, and I got matching earrings. Look how cute! Also, these are oversized. I'm short, but I'm not that small. That is not an actual pearl. This is an oversized pearl look, everybody. Just for the record. There we go. Oh, last for accessories, I found these pearl, it's like body jewelry. It goes around your neck and tummy. So I'm gonna wait to put these on because now we are on to step 3. Every mermaid needs a fin. Look how pretty this is. Let's go put this on. Now the mermaid look is complete. We've got mermaid hair, accessories, and my mermaid tail. This was a little tricky to get on, and I'm gonna be honest, it's really cute, but it's hard to move in. I understand now why mermaids live in the ocean and spend most of their time there, and only once in a while they kind of like perch on a rock or have a beach day, you know, soak up a little sun. It's hard to move on land if you are a mermaid. Let me demonstrate. If I want to turn, I gotta go like this. And then if you want to move, you can't really move forward very good, so it's better if you just kind of scoot back, right? Boop, boop, boop. It's kind of like driving in reverse, right? So you just kind of like gotta figure out where you want to go, but backwards. Whew. I gotta take a breather, but I'm coming back. Beep, 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 beep. Whew. Now, step 4 to becoming a mermaid is obviously swimming, but before I do that, because I'm honestly not sure if I can swim in this, so I need a beachy wave win. So I'm gonna do some pictures, enjoy myself in this summer day. It is so beautiful out today. I couldn't have picked a better day to do this. I got this shell floaty and I thought it'd be so cute to do a photo shoot on. But I'm gonna have to get on it now. I've got this. Ready, here we go. And we're just gonna dive. We're gonna use mermaid power. Woof. There we go. There. What? Not quite sure how a mermaid poses, but cue the mermaid photo shoot montage. This little mermaid is ready to swim. I'm ready to get in the water. I'm gonna bring this with me just in case I need it, like a life preserver. It'll be a shell preserver. Yeah. Okay, now I gotta, I'll use the stairs. I'll just sit. It's happening, it's happening. Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, one more step. Oh, it's official. Oh, it's official. Oh, I'm a mermaid. Oh, I'm little mermaid. Oh, I'm getting a feel for my fin. Whoa, this is so weird. Not what I thought it was gonna feel like. I really like swimming and I've swam with my feet together before, so for some reason in my mind I thought it was gonna feel like that, but with the fin on the end, it's much different. And my feet are locked in there. They're like these wetsuit, kind of like socks. Do I look like a mermaid just emerged from the ocean? Oh, hey sailors, let me sing for you or whatever. Oh, there's a seat here. This is perfect. What? This is like made for a mermaid right here. Oh, wait for my tail. Wait for it. Wait. Oh, like out of a movie. I'm trying to get that big flip. Yeah! Wait, how's that?
It was something.
Oh. That was not the reaction I was going for. Like, how is it looking? Do I look like an mermaid?
That or an alligator. Let's keep practicing.
I look like an alligator? Do I look like an alligator? Let me know in the comments down below. Do I look like an alligator when I'm in the water, or do I look like a mermaid? Maybe don't answer that. Okay, also, you know what I could do? I could get on here. Okay, we're gonna go for it. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Oh no! No! It's so hard. Okay, let me try again. Bring it back, 3. Got it! I got it! Oh, just being a mermaid. So easy.
Rosanna, come back.
This is super effective if you want to spin in a circle. This is how mermaids flirt. You just do this. I'm ready to try actually swimming. And let's just go for it. Let's just go in the deep end. This is deep for me. I'm only 4 foot. Oh, here we go. Here. Graceful. Mermaid vibes. In my head, that was not a fart. There's air in my I can't laugh. Okay. What? Am I floating? I did it! Oh, this is amazing. This is how mermaids sleep. I feel great after that little mermaid nap. I'm in the deep end. My fin is not touching the ground. And I'm gonna try to swim from here to there. Here we go. Whoa! It's awesome. Blueberry, check this out. What? That's a tail. Isn't that cool? Check this out. Look at that. It's a tail. Who would have thought it's a lot easier to be a mermaid when you're actually in the water and swimming than when you're walking around. So that was my very first attempt at swimming with this on, and it actually went better than I thought. So I'm gonna try some more things. Now I got these hoops to see how good I am to try some mermaid challenges. And these you just put in the middle of the pool and you try to swim through them. So I'm gonna try to do this with my tail. Yeah, okay, they're floating there, and then I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna swim right through them. Okay, in the picture online, they all stayed together, floating in a line, and look what happened. They're all over. I don't know how I'm gonna swim through these. This just turned into an obstacle course over here. That was actually okay. I made it through a couple in the beginning and then I got lost. Right here. This hoop was behind me. I didn't see this one. New strategy, I'm gonna set them up and go right away, really fast. They're lined up, and I'm gonna go through them. Here we go. Did I do it?
Almost, they're stuck to you.
Oh, I did it! Yes, I did it! I got too excited. I took some water in. I need gills. Fish and dolphins and mermaids must have some cool kind of eyes because I could barely see underwater.
This is a kid size.
Yeah, these are kid size, but so is my fin. It fits me good. Like, I look great. I'm matching. Take my diving jewels, my mermaid diving jewels. I'm throwing them in the deeper end. Get in there. All right, now let's go get some gems.
Do you go for it?
Yeah. Bling, bling. So many gems, so much ice, so much rocks. Woo! I basically am glam. All right, that does it for the video. A big thank you to OGX for sponsoring this video and making my dreams of being a mermaid for a day come true. I had so much fun. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Go check out my friend Kandee's hair products. They are amazing and I love her so much. All right, thanks again for watching. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. All right, thanks again. Bye, guys. And we're floating.